Welcome to our channel. Today, begin by navigating to the Airtable website at www.airtable.com. Once the web page loads, look for the Sign Up button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on the Sign Up button to initiate the registration process. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in a valid email address that you wish to use for your Airtable account. After entering your email, click on the Continue button. Next, check your email inbox for a confirmation message from Airtable. Open the email and look for the link to verify your email address. Click on the provided link to confirm your email. You will be redirected back to Airtable to complete the registration. Now, you will be asked to create a password for your account. Choose a strong password and enter it in the designated field. Click on the Create Account button to finalize your registration. Once your account is created, you may be prompted to provide some basic information about yourself or your business. Fill in the required fields as prompted. Next, you may be asked to answer a few questions regarding your use case for Airtable. Select the options that best suit your needs. After completing this section, click on Create Base to start your first project. You will see a variety of templates that you can choose from. Navigate through the templates and select the CRM option. Once you choose the CRM template, click on Use Template. Your new CRM base will now be created and opened. You can start customizing it by adding your contacts, deals, and workflows. Take a moment to explore the interface and features available within Airtable. Familiarize yourself with the different views like Grid, Calendar, and Kanban to maximize your CRM workflow efficiency. To add new records, click on the plus button within the relevant table. Fill in the necessary details for each contact or lead you create. Finally, ensure to save your changes and regularly update your CRM as needed. You are now successfully registered and ready to enhance your workflows using Airtable. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.